In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change difficulty in Arcane Lineage. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to change between the difficulties in Arcane Lineage. The first time you join, you will be defaulted to normal. There are 3 difficulties on Arcane Lineage. You have normal, hard, and then legendary. For you to change between these difficulties, what you have to do is spawn on the purgatory. So, to go to the purgatory, just as soon as you spawn in, go to the fire by the blacksmith. You might need to die 3 times, and eventually, your crystal here, your soul is gonna get fully corrupted, and then you will be able to spawn on the purgatory. You will see these 2 entities here, and if you talk to this NPC at the right side, the Soul Master, you will be able to get information where you are. And upon talking to him, you will be able to choose between the difficulties. So as you can see, he offers normal mode, hard mode, and then legendary mode. So all that you have to do now is pick from any of these. Like I said, normal mode is the base difficulty. It is automatically chosen when you first create your character. You will have 3 lives and healing is free. On hard mode, you will also going to have 3 lives, but you have to pay 25 gold to heal yourself. You are going to have double the drop rates, 1.3 times gold from selling items, double the essence gain, and also gold drops. Keep in mind that encounters are going to be adjusted, so the more attacks that you dodge or block, the more difficult it is going to be to dodge subsequent attacks. And finally, you have legendary mode. In this mode, you only have 1 life, and you will need to pay 50 gold to heal yourself. The advantages, however, are that you gain triple the amount of essence, triple the drop rates, twice as much gold, and you will get exclusive drops. Keep in mind that you will not be able to obtain any player drops that are sellable unless the person that dropped the item is also on legendary mode, and the encounters are going to be far harder. So choose whichever option you prefer, and you will be able to get the difficulty changed for your character the next time you respawn. I hope I was able to help you on how to change difficulty in Arcane Lineage. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.